Who am I? Who am I? Can I tell you who I am? Zero. Nothing. I have no value. Not at all. Compared to others. Nothing. The value belongs to Allah. Imagine if you were so excited to see a man who has no value. I don't control heaven and hell. I don't control your goodness or sadness or happiness. I don't control what's going to happen to you in your grave. I don't control whether you're going to go to Jannah or not. Not at all. That is all solely and only in the control of Allah. Yet you were so excited to see me. Who am I? Nothing. Will you not be more excited to see Allah 5 times a day? Will you not be more excited to see Allah, to communicate with your Maker for Salatul Fajr? Just like you came here 5 hours earlier. Can you not go to the masjid 5 minutes earlier? It's a reality I have to say. I have to get it off my chest. Because I am nothing compared to what we need to do with Allah. There is no comparison. Who am I? If you truly want to sacrifice, even if you did not come here today, but you got up for Salatul Fajr, you are a champion. You are a winner. But if you came here and sat for 5 hours and did not read Salah, you have lost. You lost everything. May Allah forgive us. I apologize to you. I'm sorry. But this is the reality that needs to be uttered. قُلِ الْحَقَّ وَإِنْ كَانَ مُرًّا. Say the truth, even if it is bitter. You miss Salatul Maghrib that is coming shortly. Wallahi, you've lost everything. If someone were to ask you who is more important, Allah or this sheikh that came from Zimbabwe, that question itself is an insult, because there is no comparison. You cannot bring those two in one sentence. Never. May Allah grant us steadfastness. So when I'm asking you to develop, I'm asking you to develop for the sake of Allah. I'm asking you to respect each other for the sake of Allah. I'm not inviting you towards me. No, not at all. I'm asking you for the sake of Allah. Help yourself by getting closer to the one who made you, so that the day you die and go into your grave, you would have succeeded. You will be the happiest person. You will get that Jannah that we spoke about earlier. Jannah arduha as-samawatu wal-ard. The width of which is greater than the heavens and the earth. That is just your paradise.